Okay, in today's video we're going to take a look at STZ. This has been a request in the last couple of days in the trading room, so I just want to go over like what we had seen. And let's see, one of the first things that I like to do is I like to see if we've made targets, because many moves tend to terminate at extensions of prior swings, and we did actually have the 1272 extension target of this swing and the 1272 extension of this swing. So that's why it's not unusual to see this pullback. However, with this pattern, it looks like we should be setting up the pullback on the buy side, and then we'll see if it holds the support, and if it does, if it triggers an entry. So I'm going to take these prior high to low swings and project them from the recent high. Okay, so we've got 223, 224 area. And we have another larger swing that comes in at 222.04, and I believe we've gone lower than these shorter term swings. Yeah, we went through that. So we do have some symmetry between the 222 to 224.99 area. Now we want to see if there are any overlapping price relationships. So there's a 382 of one swing. I'm also going to run these other swings to the highest high. Oh, wait. Oh, there's a 618 right there. Okay. All right, so typically I look at where symmetry might overlap some of these other price relationships as far as a place to enter within the direction of the trend. And you can see that this current decline is at least similar to some of these prior declines, right? So as long as we hold above this general area, I'll be looking for buy triggers. Now, as far as what a buy trigger is, it totally depends on the time frame you're looking at. If you're looking at taking a trade against this support zone for a day trade, I mean, you can use a 2-minute chart, but then only keep it for a day trade, okay? But if you're going to look to take it overnight, typically what we look for is either the aggressive swing trade trigger, which has not even fired off yet, because we did not have the moving average crossover to the upside, or the 30-minute, which is not as aggressive, and that has not triggered on the buy side yet. So, do we have a setup? Yes. Has it triggered an entry yet for a swing trade? No. So how about you be patient, wait for that, or you can use this definition of risk if you want to take any of the day trading triggers, which are, you know, could be like a 2-minute chart or even a tick chart. But this is where I define my risk. Underneath the low end of this zone, which is 222.04, the high end of the zone is 224.65. So I'll be waiting patiently to see if it triggers for a swing trade, and I'll go from there.